Well, hello moonshines and welcome to my channel Heiress of the Moon. It's Anastasia here, and today I want to stuff my mortgage payment envelopes. Let me remind you that I pay only a small part of my partner's mortgage. We agreed that I pay £500 per month to help him overpay the mortgage as soon as possible, and I always pay this money. I always cash stuff these payments. I earn both digitally as a digital transfer, and I pay in cash, so I usually source all my cash money towards mortgage. In my previous video I showed you how I settled very simple, like low resource, no spending envelopes for my mortgage. So let's see what I have today. I have this wonderful envelope with my name on it. This is one of my clients who paid for the whole summer. We actually were working together for the whole summer. We keep working together, but this client didn't have a chance to pay earlier, so I received this envelope today. It contains everything this client owns, plus tomorrow. This week I have absolutely 0 days off. I have my office work and I have side hustles in the evening, and over the weekend I also side hustle with this client. So I had a face-to-face job today and I have online job with this client for tomorrow. That's where the money comes from. Let's see first if I have anything in my mortgage envelopes, and then we will see what I was paid, how much I have in the envelope. It is actually sealed, you can see, so I know how much it is supposed to be, but I don't know how much it is in it. So for the beginning, let's have a look. My September payment was transferred physically to my partner in the end of August. So I'm now working to cash stuff my October. Let's see if I have anything in it. Oh yeah, I have some money, which is brilliant. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, £50 in October. Well, this is 10% of what I need. Let's put it back for a minute, because we still need to see how much I was paid by my client in cash. One small thing about me, I hate opening envelopes with my hands. I usually try to open it with scissors. So if I have to open an envelope, I try to make it nice and neat. Here it is, all opened. Here's a little bit of sneak peek. So how much do you think it is? What is your guess? Yeah, can you guess the amount? Let's see. Yay, I've got 50s. I love getting 50s. 50s is my absolute favorite. Oh, just one of it. And with Lizzie, still good. I haven't had 50s for quite a while, so let's keep it here. And let's count. Everything else is in 20s. Quite easy, nice and easy to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 300. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 500. No, 400. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 700. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 800. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 900, 950. This is exactly how I was supposed to be paid. This 50 is actually something I'm going to work for tomorrow. Once again, this is everything I earned with my client, side hustling over the whole summer. So seems like a lot of money, but actually, well, it is not bad, right? But it is something I was working for 3 months, and starting from here I'll be getting less money from the same client, but that's okay. That's okay. At least I have this money and I can cover a good chunk of my monthly mortgage payments, right? Or if you prefer, you can call it my rent, because it's not my mortgage, it's my partner's mortgage. So let's start with 500. Here is 500. Do you want to count it again? I don't want to, honestly. I totally trust myself. So this is 500, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is 450. So I think you've already guessed that I'll be cash stuffing 2 months of my mortgage, meaning I will cash stuff October and November, which is brilliant. This is like the best. So this is 500, this is 450. Let's cash stuff it. In October I have 50 with tens, and all this money goes to October. Okay, not the best envelope for money because it can fall off from here, but let's be honest, this envelope stays at home, doesn't go anywhere, so I am not worried. As long as I'm careful, everything is going to be fine. And this is November. So what will happen with this money quite soon? I will transfer it to my partner both October and November, because he will deposit it to the bank, because yeah, of course he's not paying mortgage by cash, seriously, but I find it much easier for me to give him cash, and then he does whatever. Sometimes he goes to markets to buy some food, sometimes he pays for services with his cash money, or sometimes he just deposits everything to the bank. It's totally up to him, not my problem. So for a short while I will soon actually remove this money and give it to him, and I will replace it with transferred on and the date sticker or a piece of paper. Maybe I will even use some pencil and actually say like fully paid on and the date, and then I will put it in the back, because I will need to start working on December envelope, like starting next week. Basically I'll be working to cash stuff my December mortgage payment. So that will be it for today. How do you feel about that? I'm actually terribly pleased that I have 2 months of mortgage payment covered at that point, so I don't have to think about it till the end of November. I really hope that by the end of November I will have enough cash to pay for December. If I'm lucky enough and I work enough, I will even have December and January covered by that moment, hopefully, because it's not like I always get that amount of money with one go. I usually get small amounts, but at this point that's what I have. I'm finally up to date with all my payments, because once again this client owed me for quite a lot of time. I mean, whole summer, and it's 21st of September today, you know, so I was waiting for this money for quite a lot of time. I'm just like, luckily I do not really depend on this money, and this is 2 months ahead at this point, because I usually transfer this money to my partner end of the month. So to what it's worth, if I hadn't received that money, I would have transferred him digital money, like with a bank transfer, when I get paid from my main job. But I'm more than pleased, I'm overjoyed. I now can do it in cash. So that is all for today's video. Stay tuned, we still have a second tracker to fill in to catch up with 11 months of the mortgage. And if you haven't seen me catching up with tracker number 1, please go and see this video. You can see the hint in one of the corners. So thank you for staying with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.